seen me from such video clips as Fran's street gliding lesson part 1, but today I'm going to show you how to have an excellent Hornby. First, to start your Hornby, you must choose your trains. Here I have a blue cargo train and a red Virgin train. Now, if something goes wrong, you just turn it up in full speed to test it out. If it does work, then you turn it back on the ordinary speed first and let it run normally. Now, if you're that sort of person who doesn't like basic things and boring things, then just make your own point motors. Here, you can see, if we just move this train out of the way, that those points there can move automatically when we flick the switch. Did you catch that? Let's just do it again. That was it. Let's take a look under the table, shall we? You can see up there, just there is a point motor which controls the points. Now, here we've got this black box which controls all of the circuits and other things. Now, going back up again, we can see the signals right here change when the points are moved, simply like that. The interesting thing is a level crossing. Now this level crossing here has an old level crossing at the front and a kind of modern one with barriers at the back. Also might need a street scene. Here's a street scene. Make it look exciting by putting the space shuttle on the back of a lorry and maybe also a car crash here too. Now you know everything to make your perfect Hornby, then try making one at home and do it like Luke does.